In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Afterpay at Walmart. So Afterpay doesn't work in Walmart stores. It can only be used for online Walmart orders through the Afterpay app. So first, make sure you have the Afterpay app installed on your iPhone or phone. Android, open the app and go to the shopping section. Then search for Walmart. Tap on Walmart inside the app, and this opens Walmart website while keeping Afterpay connected to your order. Browse and pick the items you want, things like household goods, clothing, tech, and everyday essentials. Availability depends on stock. When you are ready, go to checkout inside the Afterpay app. Afterpay will generate a single use virtual card that you can use like a credit card at Walmart online checkout. So, Afterpay automatically split your payment into 4 equal installments. Pay the first installment now, the remaining 3 are automatically charged every 2 weeks. Make sure you have a debit or credit card linked to Afterpay for automatic payments. Afterpay cannot be used in Walmart stores, and some items like groceries or restricted products may not be eligible. Only available for online Walmart orders via the Afterpay app. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.